everyone! I'm Lucy. Welcome to Lucy English Academy. Let's learn English the easy and fun way. Hello, I am walking in the city. This is a coffee shop. People buy coffee here. I am crossing the street. I look left and right. Remember to check both ways. Now I am in a park. It is quiet and nice. I bought something. Shopping is fun. These buildings are very tall. This is a bus stop. People wait for the bus. I can see food. It smells good. This is a hospital. People come here to see a doctor.
This is coffee. I buy coffee every morning. This is a cup. The cup is hot. This is the counter. I stand at the counter. This is my wallet. I pay for coffee.
I am leaving the coffee shop. I had a good time learning English. This is a taxi. People ride taxis in the city. Taxis are fast and convenient.
This is a mailbox. People put letters here. Mail travels from here to homes.
This is a hot dog. People eat hot dogs in America. I can add sauce to my hot dog.
This is a fountain. Water flows from the fountain. People like to sit near fountains. This is a street sign. It shows the street name. I can find places with street signs. These are fruits. People buy fruits here. I can eat an apple. This is a fire hydrant. Firefighters use it in emergencies. Water comes out of the hydrant. This is a park. People visit parks to relax. I can walk and enjoy the park. It's for horn. This is a flag. It is the American flag. I see the stars and stripes. This is water. I drink water to stay healthy. I can buy water here.
These are shoes. People wear shoes on their feet. Up. I can buy clothes here.
This is a bench. People sit on benches to rest. I can sit here and relax. These are swings. Children play on swings. I can watch children play here. This is a fire truck. Firefighters drive fire trucks. It helps fight fires. This is a crossing sign. It shows where children cross the street. I wait for the light to cross here. This is a diner. People eat breakfast and lunch here. I can sit outside and eat here. This is a sightseeing bus. Tourists ride buses to see the city. I can sit on top and enjoy the view. These are American snacks. People buy hot dogs and pretzels here. I can choose what to eat.
This is the Statue of Liberty. It is very tall and very famous. Whoa! I can stand in front of the statue and see it completely.
This is a bronze horse. People can see it in the park. I can read the information about the horse.
This is an apple. Apples are red and round. I can hold the apple in my hand.
These are carrots. Carrots are orange and long. I can take a carrot from here. This is fresh bread. People eat bread for breakfast. I can choose a loaf to buy.
These are flowers. Flowers are colorful and pretty. I can pick a tulip from the pot.
These are tomatoes. Tomatoes are red and round. I can buy tomatoes here. Those here. These are jars of honey. Honey is sweet and tasty. I can buy jam for breakfast. Those here. These are jars of honey. Honey is sweet and tasty. I can buy jam for breakfast. That's all for today. Thank you for learning English with me. See you next time. Goodbye.